Forget everything you thought you knew about the Pro laptop. 4 years, we've seen incremental updates. A slightly faster chip here, a better webcam there. But today we are talking about a fundamental shift in the fabric of personal computing. If you've been holding on to your M1 Max or even your M2 or M3 machines, waiting for that one reason to finally upgrade, this is it. The MacBook Pro M6 Max isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reinvention of what a computer can be. Imagine a machine so powerful it doesn't just handle your workflow, it anticipates it. A machine that bridges the gap between a portable laptop and a high-end studio workstation in a way we've never seen before. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are diving deep into the M6 Max. From the rumored 2-nanometer architecture to the death of the notch and the birth of the first ever OLED touchscreen on a Mac. If you care about speed, if you care about the future of tech, or if you just want to know if your current Mac is officially obsolete, stay tuned. You cannot afford to miss a single second of this. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M6 Max Silicon. For the first time in Apple's history, we are looking at the transition to a 2-nanometer process. Now, why does that matter to you? In simple terms, it means more transistors in less space. We aren't just talking about a 10 or 20% speed bump. We are talking about a leap in efficiency that makes the M5 look like a toy. Early benchmarks and leaks suggest that the M6 Max is pushing boundaries that were previously reserved for desktop-class Ultra chips. We're seeing a massive increase in core counts, but more importantly, a radical redesign of the neural engine. We are living in the era of local AI. While everyone else is relying on the cloud, the M6 Max is built to run massive large language models and complex AI workflows locally, on-device, with zero latency. If you're a developer, a data scientist, or a creative professional using AI-driven tools in Premiere or Photoshop, the M6 Max is going to save you hours of your life every single week. This is the first chip designed from the ground up for the AI-first world. But power is nothing without a way to see it. And this is where things get truly controversial and exciting. 4 years, Apple fans have had a love-hate relationship with the notch. Well, the rumors are finally pointing to its demise. The M6 Max MacBook Pro is expected to introduce a hole-punch camera design, or even better, an under-display camera system that finally gives us a true, edge-to-edge, uninterrupted canvas. And it's not just any screen. We are finally getting tandem OLED. If you've seen the latest iPad Pros, you know how life-changing tandem OLED is. Perfect blacks, blinding highlights, and a level of color accuracy that makes mini LED look dated. But Apple isn't stopping there. The M6 Max is rumored to be the first MacBook Pro to feature a touchscreen. I know, Steve Jobs said it wouldn't happen. But the world has changed. With macOS becoming more touch-friendly and the integration of iPad apps, a touchscreen Mac is no longer a maybe. It's a necessity for the modern creator. Imagine color grading or scrubbing through a timeline with your fingertips on the most beautiful display ever put on a laptop. Now, let's talk about the design. The M6 Max isn't just getting new internals, it's getting a thinness revolution. Because of the efficiency